Luigi. I'm so glad you talked me into coming outside. I know. Oh, now that we're out here, what are we gonna do? You mean... Wait. You didn't say anything. Does that mean you didn't think of anything? No. No! Well, we could take a walk. Perfect idea. You're the smartest brother I have. I'm your only brother. I know. Come on, Luigi. Let's go. Hey, I heard a dog. Bark to you two. I wish Yoshi was here. Come on, Luigi. Okay. Okay. Wahoo. Ow, ow, ow. Whee! Poof! Mario? Where are ya? I'm under you, idiot. Oh, sorry. Oh my god. Let's go. Okay. Then let's go. Hey, look. 2 cars. It's not even ours. No, it isn't. But it's awesome. Yeah. Snow! Relax, Luigi. It's just snow. And footprints. Yeah. Hey, look. There's the birdhouse. Let's go check on it. Okay. Luigi! Oh, come on, Luigi. Thanks, Mario. No problem, bro. No problem. Look, footsteps. Sweet, let's go in them. Whee! This is pretty fun. Get up! Again? Look how you landed. Shut up. You're weird. Shut up, Mario. Hey, I wonder if there's any birds in here. Would you check? What? Yeah, I'll just stay right up here. I'll just stay right up here. Okay. Hello? Anyone in here? Hello? Huh. Let me knock. Guess no one's home, Mario. Another dog! There's another dog. What's it barking at me for? Bark, 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 bark! Bark, bark! Okay, stop barking at the dog. Okay, let's go. Jumping, yeah, jumping. Okay. Hey, the trampoline. Let's go on it. Okay. Okay. Let me go first. Okay. Yeah. Yippee! Whew. Thank you. That's... Okay, Luigi, your turn. Okay. Yeah. Hey. Yo! I'm okay. Don't worry about me. I'm okay. So, oh, good. Well, come on, Luigi, let's go. Okay. You're kidding me. Again? Oh. Come on, Luigi, you're better than that. I can't like you from the snow. Ooh, my hand's all icy now. Come on. Hey, a hill. Let's climb it. Okay. Okay. I am king of the world. Oh crap, no. Ow! I'm stuck. Luigi, help. Yeah. I'm okay. I landed on my feet. Ow. I'm okay, but I feel a little pain. Okay, that's good. Well, let's climb this mountain. It's a hill, Mario. Remember, a hill. Whatever. We're climbing. Yippee! We're on the hill! Yay! Hill! Oh crap! Now I'm gonna jump down. What? I'm gonna jump? Jump in the snow. Ow! I landed! Sort of. Okay. You landed weird. Shut up. Okay! This is fun. Luigi, you're a mess. I'm better. You're sort of not. Oh, shut up. Mud. Icky mud. Oh, you just think it's all icky. You're gonna say Mickey. He's a mouse, Mario, not a mess. Again! Oh! Come on, Luigi. Stop falling in there. Sorry. Hey, Bush. Oh! Ow! You landed weird. Don't worry, I'll get you out, buddy. I'm your brother. Yeah, I'm gonna call you Buddy. I wish your name was Buddy. That'd be easier. And you have a B on your hat, not an L. Ah! Ah! We're sinking! Mayday! Ah! Oh my God! Cold. I know, Luigi. I know. I wanna go. Luigi, we have the rest of the way to go. Okay, we can do this.